What up, everybody? This is my spot. I didn't do a aftermath video today. Really not much aftermath. I had the chair in there. I had my MacBook on the floor. That was it. I got the dog to eat again. Look, her food bowl is empty. She's such a good dog. Then, immediately after she ate, she got all excited and energetic because I was cheering her on. Because, you got to do that. If she's being timid about her food, you got to encourage it. So, I got her to eat about a half of a 1/3 pound patty from Costco. The sirloin or whatever. She's eating fancy. Anyways, I'm almost done tearing down. And then I realized, I didn't do an aftermath video. I guess you could see I wasn't very good at keeping the leaves out this time. There's just crap everywhere in here. But my next stop is Uncle Ken's house, where I'll be staying until I get my interview. But I don't think I'm going to videotape that or put that on YouTube because family. Anyways, you guys won't even know this is happening for a while until I can upload all these videos and edit them and do all that stuff. I put a couple feelers out there of my first couple campsites to see what it would be like, and I'm getting views, so I'll put up more. I'll add more tags. All in all, Mill Creek Campground in Berlin, Ohio. Not a bad place. It was quiet. I slept so good, like a baby. I might look like I'm tired, but it's because I'm wearing the same contacts as I did yesterday because I forgot my glasses at home. When I packed to leave, I was the very last car on the ferry to cross the Puget Sound, and so I'm lucky that I got there when I did. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna pack up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna camp on the way home yet. I will try and get these videos uploaded before I make my tour back home, but there might be a chance that I just, push it, go 12 hours on, just find the nearest hotel and go to sleep, and then wake up, and then 12 hours on, and then, because then I'll get home in like 4 days. This whole camping every day thing took 7 days. Well, 8. Actually, no, 7. Because today's day number 7 or 8. I've lost track at this point. Camping is so fun. Camping would be more fun if I actually took the time to explore every park that I went to, but I have not done that. I've been in a hurry or I've been pissed off, and just didn't bother. So usually at most of the first few campsites, I barely got set up before the sun went down and it was time to go in the tent because the bugs come out. Or the mice. There was one site that had a bunch of mice, which is cute. I didn't think they were gross at all. So, anyways, that's it. That's it for the adventure across the United States. We're ending in Ohio, but I'm actually going all the way to Delaware and then to Lexington, Massachusetts. So maybe I'll do some video when I get to Massachusetts because I hear it's a very touristy town. So anyways, catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe down below.